Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I'm doing a series of quick videos about how to sell more on eBay. This week's quick video is about the best shipping solution for dropshipping on eBay to stop defects. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So a big mistake I see a lot of eBay dropship sellers make is when they list an item on eBay and they nominate a specific shipping carrier, i.e. Australia Post. This creates multiple problems if your dropship supplier does not ship your buyer's item with the shipping provider or the shipping company that you listed in your eBay listing, i.e. Australia Post. But there's a simple solution, as I'll show you. The first problem with nominating a specific shipping service like Australia Post arises when the customer receives the tracking number from a different shipping provider to the one on your eBay listing. If an eBay seller nominated, say, Australia Post when they listed the item, but then you send the buyer a tracking number from another shipping provider or a courier, this creates buyer confusion and can lead to negative feedback and defects. The second problem from nominating a specific shipping service like Australia Post is the actual shipping provider that your dropship supplier uses may have a different shipping speed to the shipping service or shipping provider that you're nominating in your listing, i.e. 3 days and say instead of 2 days. So the simple solution to stop these issues is to just select the generic shipping service, i.e. standard parcel delivery, like this listing. By selecting standard parcel delivery in eBay when listing any dropship item, you and your supplier are not tied down to only shipping with one shipping company, i.e. Australia Post, etc. If you also want to know how to see eBay's best-selling items, make sure you watch this video up here and I'll put a link at the end of the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.